All right, so we're getting ready to repair this Odyssey. Again, we're not going for a perfect paintless repair. We're going for a GPR, a glue pull repair, just to make the majority of this damage out. The tools I'm going to use today are the Viper tabs, so that's the articulating modular tabs. I'm going to use that to come around these two body lines, and I'm also going to use a flexible centipede to start to come right across the middle here. Because this is going to be a slightly longer repair, I'm not going for quick moves. We're going with the Cam Auto glue today. I've already prepped the panel. It's super clean. And I've set my Vipers to match the shape of the body lines. So I'm holding pressure in to allow the tab to flex in and grab the body line. That's also a reason why I decided to go with the Viper tab instead of a rigid tab. While this is setting up, while I'm holding pressure here, I'm going to be taking the blending head and working this crown down to bring this metal over. I think we're going to see a pretty rapid change in this panel. Again, with the centipede tab, I want to go straight across this body line here. Same idea here. This is flexible, this is even more flexible. So I'm able to push it in and get it onto the body line and get a good consistent adhesion all the way across. Over here, I've already got my tabs dialed in to match up to the body line around that curve. Also applying pressure here to get this down into the body line. All right, so the glue is set. The panel's a little cool. We like to be between 70 and 90 degrees. We're currently 66. So I'm gonna take my heat gun and I'm gonna start on this side. So I'm gonna warm this area. All right, just a little over 100 degrees. That'll give me a minute to work to get set up. I'm going with the K-bar. I want to hold a pretty steady pull here with one hand. I've got the middle-sized adapter, and I'm going to leverage off of up here. This adapter is going to let me grab 3 of the tabs at the same time. So I'm going to go slow. And actually watching this crown is what I'm paying the most attention to. And it's walking over really nice. So you can see the majority of that has released. Now I'm going to continue to hold pressure and come in with the blending head and so we don't want to over pull, right? With this thing, we could grab on it and rip and pull excessively high. Looking at it, I'm real happy with how this body line's returned. I can still see a bit of a low here, but I don't believe that this is the right pull for it. I'm gonna move over to this side now, the more severe side. I'm gonna save this for last. I feel like they're all sort of related. Same thing, the panel's a little cool. 67 degrees. Let me go ahead and warm it up. Again, I'm going to try to take it to just over 100 degrees to give me a little bit of work time to get back to the tab and let it cool down into that 70 to 90 range. Same thing, we've got a big crown all through here. There actually may be another secondary impact out on this body line. I'm going to bring this up slow and see what remains over here. $120, we'll let that cool down. I'm going to pull this the same way, and I'm also going to come in from the top here, just like I did on the other side. Again, hitting 3 of my tabs coming down to the corner. Slow and steady pressure. Just see what's going to release. This crown is definitely a little bit tighter over here. So with this crown being a little sharper, the temperature's dropping a hair. We're still in the 70 to 90. I'm going to warm this up to help preserve the flexibility of the paint. There she goes. Same thing, we got some remnants of the crown. I'm going to go over with the blender and get it in there. I'm going to give this a little bit more room. Come down and get a little bit of a pull on the bottom here. And we have similar damage left on this side, a bit of a low coming off the corner here. The secondary impact is still pushed in. I'm gonna come over and see what kind of move we can make on the middle here to get the majority of the shape back. Repeat again, get us up to temperature, 70 to 90 degrees. Right on target. Now I can't reach here, the bumper actually gets in my way. So I'm going to come down below and actually use this to hold some pressure on the crown while I hold. And this is a relatively soft dent compared to the other two. Slow and steady is the way to go. Pushing the crown in a little bit below this dent with the foot of the K-bar and making some pulls. So you can see in a matter of minutes with 3 accurately placed pulls, we've already moved a ton of metal out.